This 2024 Airstream Globetrotter 25 FBT Twin is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Airstream is 25 feet 11 inches in length and features a Barcelona Blue, natural elm interior, sleeps 6, LP detector, auxiliary battery, awning, DVD player, external shower, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, smoke detector, oven, stove top burner, and 39 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Airstream Globetrotter 25 FBT Twin is 5,975 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.